Ever notice how every U.S. fighter jet starts with an F? Well, the F stands for fighter, signifying jets built for air-to-air combat. This tradition began in 1962, thanks to the Department of Defense's Tri-Service Aircraft Designation System. It streamlined aircraft naming across the military, making roles instantly recognizable. Just like C is for cargo, like the C-130 Hercules, and B for bombers, like the B-52. So whether it's the F-16 Fighting Falcon or the F-22 Raptor, now you know who does what. Did you know about this classification process before?
War Machines.